When purchasing industrial rubber hoses, many companies focus mainly on the initial price. However, the real cost lies in the entire service cycle. A well-designed rubber hose with stable formulation can cooperate reliably under the high pressure, frequent bending, and harsh conditions, reducing the risk of the burst, leaks, and unexpected downtime. For factories, equipment manufacturers, and constructors, stable hoses, the performance means higher system reliability and more predictable after-sale cost. Through standard production process and strict quality control, industrial rubber hoses can maintain batch consistency, supporting long-term projects and repeat purchasing.
From a B2B perspective,
selecting the right industrial rubber hose is essential an investment in reducing operational risk.